WOW. This is one hot offer. This 2007 Subaru Legacy wagon gets 22 miles per gallon in the city and gets 28 miles per gallon on the highway. What are you waiting for? Call us today.